To enable Alexa announcements for a Blink doorbell, start by opening the Alexa app and selecting Devices from the bottom menu. Then, choose the specific Blink doorbell for which you want to set up notifications and select Settings. In the upper right corner, under the Announcements section, turn on the toggle beside Doorbell Press Notifications. You can also customize the sound Alexa makes during announcements by tapping Doorbell Sound and choosing your preferred option. Additionally, select Announcement Devices to choose which Alexa-enabled device you want to make the doorbell announcement. To enable motion announcements, first ensure that your Blink system is armed and that motion detection is enabled in the Blink app. It's also important to note that this feature is not compatible with XT or indoor cameras. Once you've confirmed these settings, open the Alexa app, select the Blink camera for which you want to set up motion announcements, and choose Settings in the upper right corner. Under Announcements, turn on the toggle beside Motion Announcements. By following these steps, you can set up Alexa to announce Blink doorbell presses and motion detections, allowing you to stay informed about activity at your home.